Hi, everybody. Welcome to day 5 of the Global Innovation Project. We are at an exciting point in the project because we are finally ready to start working on solution ideas to the problems that you have been researching. So I'm going to give you some steps that I'm going to have you guys follow during class today. But the first thing is that I want to make sure that you have all finished all 10 problem research note cards first. And most of you should have done this by now, but you can see if this is complete by checking Veracross to make sure your sets are all finished, and they all have, you'll know that because they'll have a grade on them. If you haven't finished this problem research, if it still says it's pending, then you need to go to Noodle Tools and finish that up. Otherwise, we can go ahead and get going. So you are going to be doing some solution brainstorming today. And here's what I want you to do in order to start that.
When we start to try and find solutions to problems, we always start with brainstorming. I'm going to have you do this as similarly to how we would have done it in class as possible. So you will need 3 things for this part. You'll need a blank piece of paper, a timer set for 5 minutes, and a writing utensil. Here are the directions. Set the timer for 5 minutes. List as many solution ideas as you can think of. No idea is a bad one. They can be things you've thought of as you have done research, ideas you might have seen in articles, or something completely new. Know that your solution will likely be something that helps solve a part of your problem and not the whole thing. That said, a range of big ideas and small ideas are fine. What you want to do is get as many ideas on your paper as you can within the 5-minute timer. If you get stuck and you have a lot of time left, one helpful thing I have found when brainstorming is to draw. So start drawing 1 or 2 solution ideas. Some of us are more visual than others, and this can be helpful.
So once you have finished the solution brainstorming, you're going to take a picture of it. And I want you to send it to me in chat in Teams. Chat in Teams, please. Once I have checked that off, after I've seen it, I will send you the link to the next step, which is going to take you to a form on Microsoft Forms, which you should be pretty familiar with using with me by now. And with that list and this thing on Microsoft Forms, you're going to choose your top 3 solution ideas. And all of this is, and again, you'll get this link after you send me the photo of your solution brainstorming. All this is the same 3 questions. And what I want you to do is choose the solution ideas that you think are 3 things. At St. David's, in the Innovation Warriors program, we use 3 things to help us create good innovation. We create things that are desirable, meaning it's wanted or needed, that are sustainable, that it can be repeated or it can last, and that are, wait, oh my goodness. All right, this is distance learning brain. Desirable, sustainable, feasible, the obvious one. Feasible just means it's possible, it's doable. Goodness me. Okay, so desirable, feasible, and sustainable. It's possible, it can be repeated, and it's wanted or needed. Okay? So look at your solution brainstorming, look at your solution ideas, and pick which of these 3 things do I think is most possible. And then you're going to write each of them in each, or one of them, sorry, in each box. Describe your solution idea, describe your solution idea, describe your solution idea, and then you'll click submit. That will come to me, and then between these next couple classes, I will get back to you on which of those I think is the best choice for your solution idea. So I'll be doing that between classes, okay? Once you have finished this form and sent that to me, the last thing you're going to be doing today is starting your PowerPoints. So to present this project, you guys are going to be creating PowerPoints, which you should have gotten signed into or downloaded at the beginning of the project. And so I have a template that is going to be linked. It's not linked right now when I'm making this video, but it will be linked on the Global Innovation Project page on Veracross. You'll click that to download it. And you can start, and there'll be a video to help you through this too. I haven't made that yet, but that'll be there all by class time. And you can start filling out the PowerPoint. And you'll be able to do slides 2 through 5 with your problem research that you've already completed. So that'll be the rest of class and your homework to get as far as on that as you can. Okay, go ahead and get started.